Hey y'all, it's your boy Fantastic's Chair again with another video. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also like and comment on the video if you like the content. Alright, so we about to get into some locksmith. Starting to get the technique down a little bit better, at least enough to where I feel like I can help somebody else get the locksmithing process down. So I'm gonna just let you guys watch me work, and I'll go in depth or in detail a little later in the video. So enjoy the video. So right now I'm applying a little bit of product. The product that I use is the LocN gel. I've been using this gel for a little while now. This is actually my first container of it, so I've been getting used to using this gel. I think it works really well. It's got good ingredients. The consistency of this gel kind of reminds me of Shine Gem a little bit. It's just a little bit thicker than Shine Gem, however, but along the same lines as it. I would also not recommend using Shine Gem to retwist locks. That product is not intended for that, and you have so much buildup on your client's hair. With these more natural based products, I find that there's a lot less buildup on the client's hair. When it's time for them to get shampooed, I'm noticing that they don't have as much little white patches and things of that nature on their locks, which is great for me. So it makes it an easier process to clean their hair. And then it's also an easier process or just easier on the client, so they don't have to worry about the white buildup on their hair. Prior to using the LocN gel, I was using Super Grow gel. It's a pretty good product as well. However, the hold on that is a lot less strong than the LocN gel. I think the LocN gel has a great hold. But both products, they have great ingredients, so I would recommend either one, just depending on what kind of hold you're looking for. But I think I'm going to stick with the LocN gel. I really like the results that it gives me on my clients. And from what my clients say, they like the results as well.
you kidding me?
I would also like to inform you guys the locksmithing method is a little bit time consuming. So if you're not very fast at it yet, you still need more practice, I wouldn't book another client exactly right after your lock client or try to squeeze somebody in, because you're not going to have time. It's going to take you a little bit of time to get that locksmithing method down. As you can see, some of those locks that I've started to do the locksmithing method on, how they're coming together. If you can see the hair that's clipped away that I haven't gotten to yet, you see how frizzy it is and just how many hairs are just out of place in terms of the locks, and how that locksmithing method is just bringing everything back and making it look smooth. All right, so we're going to get into some of the details regarding locksmithing. So I have applied a little bit of product to the root area, and as you can see, the lock is very frizzy. There's a lot of hair that's gotten out of the lock, and we're going to get that hair back in there and make it look smooth. So what you're going to do is take your index, middle, ring, and pinky finger, and you're going to pull the loose hairs that are on the right side of the lock to the left. Once you've pulled the hairs from the right side to the left, you're going to take your thumb and push those hairs over the top of the lock to the right. So again, you're going to pull the loose hairs with your index, middle, ring, and pointer finger to the left. Once you pull those hairs to the left, you're going to push the remainder of the hairs to the right with your thumb and repeat that process. You're just going to keep doing it over and over again. Pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push. Over and over and over and over and over until you get that lock smooth. Make sure that you're working at the top of the lock at the beginning, and you can just work your way down and then go back and forth as to get the lock smooth. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And thanks for watching.